that is how I do the cleaning. I usually use this one. Oh, I thought this one is coming from Baguio. No, it's not coming from Baguio City. Yeah, I'm using that one to clean the house. And then I use this to, and when the dirt is here, I use this vacuum. And the time now is already 5:40. And I need to pay the house rent today. Yeah, $250. This one is looks different, feels different also. Maybe this one is fake. And then I'm going to take a shower. And then at 6 o'clock, I'm going to watch the news. So today is the first day where the Queensland border is open. Yeah, it means that people from New South Wales can now travel to Queensland. The same like Queensland people, they cannot travel here in New South Wales. Yeah, it's very sad because I was watching the videos and I saw family, they miss each other. They meet in the airport and they never see each other personally for a long time during the lockdown. Yeah, and Western Australia at the moment is still closed and they are going to open on December 8th. So yeah, on December 8th it means that Australia is like a whole country again, not separated by borders, which is good. According to the news, there is no new cases around Australia. It's been more than 21 days here in New South Wales that there's no new cases. The same like in Melbourne or Victoria, no more. So we are like normal now here in Australia, but still there are some restriction in the gatherings in the restaurant. There are still some restriction, and there is still limit to gather in the house. Yeah, up to 50 people now. Before it was 30. Yo, good morning guys. We are going to work now. Yeah, very peaceful today. There's nothing is moving. Yeah, there's no wind. You hear the sound of the birds. Very quiet. Yeah. Oh, I am having this rain jacket covered like this because with this way I can clearly hear the music. Because without this, I heard the wind noise. You know when? Yeah, that's the first movement. The car. Okay, we go. Understand, darling, I see hard upon the shelf. Look in here. Yeah, very peaceful, very quiet. Hey, the moon is still there. Beautiful. And I hold to hold on to. Even if I know just got away, it's just a part of me that I can't erase. Fight for you. I'm trying to get close to you. Oh baby, why that goes? Yeah, we're just going to stand by here for a little bit. I still have time to start my duty. Yo. So this is how it is at the moment. The sun is going to rise on from that side. Before the sun was rising from that side. Yeah, during winter time, sun is rising there. And it's beautiful. Yo, it is now 2:30 and we are going home now. Today is busy. The lunch is busy. There are many people in the swimming pool and also inside in the dining area. Yeah, busy, mate, but it's all good. Okay, we go. You see this car? Yeah, they are traveler. I noticed because inside there's so much things. There's bed, there are towel, there are so many things inside of their car. Yeah, we just stop here because we're going to buy soft drinks. Okay, we are now here. We're going to do some pull-ups in here. Yesterday I didn't do pull-ups because there are ladies in there. Around 5 or 6 ladies, they are sitting in there exactly in front of this pull-up station. So yeah, I am shy, very shy. Oh, it's good that I have the gloves. I thought I don't have the gloves. Next time I'm going to try the chin up, where the hands is on the other side, not like this but like this. And at the moment there are many people here. Yeah. And you know, last time I saw that there are some people in there. There are some yeah, kids. They are playing on the hills. There is maybe a walking path inside. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the first time I heard the people in there. Maybe there's the way coming from up. And you know, most of the road here in Australia, particularly here, there is something like this, a shared pathway. Yeah, for the walker and for the biker, for the joggers and for the dog walker. Yeah, there are some people, they are fishing. Oh, there is one motorhomes, Maui. Nice. It's like a, yeah, I think inside of that van is similar to the size of my room. When I was in Sydney, I was paying $200 every week in one single room. Oh, the ladies, they are not here this time. I mean, yeah, the retiree ladies, they are not here this time. Maybe they are walking around. They are the regular ladies that are staying there, relaxing in there. Maybe because, yeah, they feel that it is going to rain, so they don't come. Because the sky is all covered with white clouds. Oh, look at this. There is a new kind of flower here. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's stop. Okay, I will show you a little closer how it really looks. Yeah, that is how it looks. Yeah, nice. Here, there, and that one. I was very thirsty, that's why I bought this iced tea. I noticed that this tree, they are now having deep, like a flower. Yeah, you can see that there is something like a sticky stick. There are flowers. Yeah, it is now 3:26. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I don't have anything here. Empty. This is what we are going to eat this time. Sardines. In case you don't know, this one is coming from Mr. Mike. Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Mike. And another best thing is that it is done by itself, like that.